wild and free, in transit to see what else there could be. Make me a bird, and I'll fly far, far away. Seems the only one that can save me is me. Did you ever have a Forrest who loved you, no matter how far you'd fly? You'd always have someone to come back to. Though it seems there's never someone that could save you completely, so I'll fly far, 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 far away in peace discreetly. Make me a bird and I'll fly far, far away. Seems the only one that can save me is me. Make me a bird and I'll fly far, far away. Far, far away to save me from myself. Seems the only one that can save me is me.